suppose they're there. Okay, the question we're answering here is how to copy a artboard and keep all your artwork to make a duplicate of your artboard. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Window and we're going to open the Artboards panel. And this is the Artboards panel. And right now I have two artboards. I have Artboard 1, which is my type artboard, which I used for my first demo. So I want to make a copy of this so I can do a second one. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm on the Artboards panel. I'm going to grab the Artboard 1 that I've highlighted, and I'm going to drag it down to this little plus next to the trash can. And then it'll show me Artboard 1 copy. So I'm going to zoom out and see, where did my Artboard 1 copy go? There it is. Now I can click on it and it brings me right here. If I want to move it, I can click on the Artboard tool in the toolbar and I can click and drag it over just to give it its little space. Notice how everything moves with it. Everything that I have on there will move with it. So that will be called Artboard 1 copy, and you can see that I have that extra one. And that's all there is.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.